In today's video, we are going to discuss about the export business of antioxidants for rubber. This product plays a crucial role in extending the life of rubber products by protecting them from oxidation and heat-induced degradations. These are essential in industries ranging from automotive and manufacturing. India exports antioxidants for rubber to more than 34 countries, and these are the top destinations, and it falls under Chapter 8, 38, and the specific HSN code is 38123910. And the total of more than 1,000 shipments took place as reported on 10th July 2025. And in the financial year 23-24, the total exports were valued at 23.36 of crores of Indian rupees. And April 24 to July 24, the total value reached to 3.33 crores of Indian rupees. Key manufacturer and supplier you can find in many cities in this country, and these are the top cities. And if you are thinking to expand your export portfolio or looking for the new business in the export market, antioxidants for rubber could be a smart addition. And if you find this video helpful, please leave a comment, share it, and reach out to us via WhatsApp to book a free session on export procedures and compliance. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more insights into India's export industry.